Now then, Douglas McMaster reporting for the Zero Waste Cooking School. Today we're getting seedy with a gluten-free loaf. This is the ultimate bread alternative. When working with alternatives, the golden rule is to listen to what the ingredient wants. Seeds are oily, they're dense, they're heavy, and they're not very strong. So don't try and make a fluffy, light loaf. Instead, a soft, cakey texture is where it's at. This recipe is super adaptable to whatever seediness you've got going on in your cupboards. So feel free to swap and change some of the seeds and the spices and adapt. Let the force guide you. This seedy assembly can be baked and baked in just 2 hours. So yeah, let's blend to it. Blend your 3 seedy spices along with your chia seeds to create flour. You have that power. That's terrible. In the recipe, you'll notice that we've wrote syrup. This can be alternated between any syrups, so honey, treacle, molasses, sap, or just a really thick sugar syrup. Now going to unite all of the ingredients into the glass bowl and give them some bonding time. You want to bake your seedy loaf in a loaf tin. Just rub a little bit of oil, and then we're going to use some oat flour to make sure that our loaf does not stick to our tin. And then just whack the oat flour in. So then just whack in your seedy mass into your tin. Don't be too precious. This will create one classy looking seedy brick. Pop it in the oven for just 40 minutes. We are going to bake it for another 20, but we will do so minus the tin. Take it out of the oven and gloat at your glorious masterpiece. We're going to eat this with some very cheesy silo butter, aged for 6 months, and some Marmite. Let's cut this open and reveal the crumb shot. There's the crumb shot. So satisfying, so chunky, very filling, very filling. This is so good. This is like it's not bread, it's something else. It's amazing. Seedy, dense, chewy, savoury as hell. There's those little spices tickling the back of your throat. And that cheesy butter in my mind. That is dynamite. This is the end of the end, and the end of this seedy transmission.